Assalamu alaikum, it's Khurram here. I'm here to teach you how to join online classes through Zoom application. But before joining the class, we must know how to download it and then how to launch it. So first of all, you need to go in your Play Store. There you can find an option of Zoom application free download for online classes. You have to click on it, and there you will find an option of installation. Click on it, please. Installation process or downloading process may take some time, so I'm going to pause my video. So my dears, as you can see, it has been downloaded and now installation process has been started. It might take some minutes to install this application on your Android device. But let me tell you, after installing this device on your mobile, what will be the procedure to join the meeting. Two options are available while taking the classes online through Zoom application. The very first option is you are not required to make any account through Gmail to join the class. Your teacher will provide you an email ID. Email ID means Zoom ID, and along with a password to join the meeting. Here it has been installed. I'm going to open it. Here it has been launched. So here the interface is in front of you. There you can see an option of joining a meeting, sign up, sign in. You do not need to know about sign up or sign in because in this meeting you would be joined through your teacher, Mr. Kaswar Abbas. You just have to click on join a meeting, and there you can find your cursor is blinking on meeting ID. Your meeting ID would be 602-100-9286. Sorry, 86. This meeting ID would be provided by your teacher, Sir Kaswar Abbas, and you have to click on join meeting. Then it will require a password that would also be provided by your teacher, and it's so simple. It's 1 2 3 4 and 5. Click OK. Meeting is preparing and it is connecting. Here you will find an option. Meeting has been started, I think so, from Sir Kaswar Abbas. Here he is in front of you. Then you would find an option. There would be a difficulty to allow your device to take the voice from your audio. तो आपने यहाँ ज्वाइन ऑडियो पे क्लिक करना है. यहाँ ये आ रहा है कॉल वाया डिवाइस ऑडियो. इसके ऊपर आप अलाउ करवा देंगे, अलाउ जूम टू रिकॉर्ड ऑडियो. ये अलाउ हो जाएगा. देन यहाँ पर अनम्यूट का ऑप्शन है, अनम्यूट करेंगे इफ़ यू वांट टू शेयर सम communication with your teacher. So Sir Kaswar, would you please tell us, can you listen me? Am I audible to you, sir? Sorry, there is a call in on my mobile.